guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add GIFs to your video on CapCut. And to do that, you are not going to select on anything and click on the stickers tab and press this image button right over here. And then you are going to select the GIF you want to add, for instance this one, and press the checkmark button. I'm just going to adjust the GIF like in the middle, sort of, right there, and I'm just going to resize it until that much. Okay. And then that's it. Now you have a GIF on your video. It is super simple, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!